welcome to Selah, your one-stop shop for all things manifestation. I am Shanae Suggs, the founder of Selah, and today I wanted to walk you through our newest product. So that product would be the 90-day planner. So this is our Book of Life 90-day planner, and I'm really excited to just share with you about how you can best use it to plan, not just plan, because I don't want this to just be a planner for you. Everything that we offer through Selah is meant to be a tool to help you in your manifestation process. And here at Selah, we truly believe that manifestation is not about fixing yourself. It's not about bettering yourself. It's not about escaping whatever situation you're currently in. It's about being able to manifest the next chapter of your story. So 90 days, why? First of all, because a year is sometimes, most times, too long for people to be able to really see in the future, especially when you're someone who has lacked consistency or has trouble manifesting in general. It's not always very easy to just right out the gate come out with a year-long planner. You most likely won't commit to it. You'll fall off the wagon and then you'll never stick to it. 3 months is a long enough period of time where you're able to foresee some things and plan out some things, but it's short enough to where you don't feel like everything's weighing on you. So 90 days is perfect. I call this our no bullshit planner because I've literally made sure that I cut out everything that was just extra, okay? I didn't want you to get distracted by anything. I wanted you to keep the focus on you unraveling those next chapters of your life, whatever those may look like for you. How you use your planner, what I really want to focus on, because a lot of you guys are going to be getting your planners in the mail very soon, and you're going to be starting a fresh new 90 days for yourself. What you'll find is you get to dedicate this to yourself. I won't read everything that's in there. You get a section that just walks you through how you can use it, just because, you know, that's always helpful, so you know what the different parts are and how they best work. But then you'll finally get to your 90-day goals. What you do after that is you're actually going to break your goals down into steps. And the steps are basically just the 3 months. After you've broken your goals down into your 3 monthly goals, you're then faced with your first month. And what you do is you literally, this is why I love this planner. You literally take what you wrote right here for month 1 and boom, ready, boom, right here. Just so you have it at the forefront of your month. And then, want to see another cool part? Now you get to break it down into your weeks, right? So you get 5 weeks because some months have 5 weeks, some months have 4. It just depends on how it lays out on the calendar, right? And so you'll break it down. And then on the next page, what you have is your master to-do list. And I really found that this was a great way that anytime I had something on my mind that I needed to get done, I would have a space to write it so that I could make sure that it got done. One master to-do list at the beginning of each month. The cool thing about having one to-do list is, first of all, you don't have a bunch of Post-its everywhere. And the other cool thing is when you go to organize and structure your days and structure your weeks, you're able to just reference your to-do list and say, okay, well, what still needs to get done? Let me see if I can knock that out today, or let me see if I can knock that out this week. What you'll see next is your monthly planner where you can fill in important deadline dates. And then once you're done with that, you enter into your week. And here you go. It's your week. So you get a weekly spread. You get 5 weekly spreads in a month. You've got your little emotional check-in at the bottom. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll zoom in. There you go. So you get a smiley face, a neutral face, and then a sad face. And the point of this is just for you to check in with yourself energetically every day. That's pretty much it for how to use the planner. You go through your weeks and then you hit your month in review. I'm gonna actually make a separate video on that, but each month has a 5-page review for you to go ahead and tackle, and it's a pause for you to be able to go back and reflect on your month and on your goals and on your desires and things like that. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments below. Go ahead and go and grab your 90-day planner. I'm so excited to hear your feedback. I'm excited to hear your stories. I cannot wait to hear the success that you have with it, because if you do the work, it does work. I will see you next time. Again, my name is Shanae Suggs. I am the founder of Selah, your one-stop shop for all things manifestation. I will see you next time. Bye.